Hello, welcome to week 1 of Writing 122. This is Beth, your instructor. I hope by now that you've already gone through all the introductory material. You have looked at the Getting Started book, you have looked at the syllabus, you've figured out if you think you really want to tackle this online course. Those of you who've had online courses before, this is easy for you. The rest of you might want to spend this week looking and make sure you understand exactly how Moodle works. If you need help, help is available in the Getting Started book in this course. Up here, let me show you. This Getting Started book has all the information you might need. The Student Help Desk on the second floor at the Center Building in the main campus is a good place to start. They can answer all of your questions, I promise you. Now, this week, I'd like to look at it a little bit. This is the Moodle page that you'll see when you log on to the course, and you'll see most of the weeks will look exactly like this. We'll have an overview here, information, last day for a full refund on Sunday, learning objectives for the week, an overview. I usually post a video like this, just, I don't know, to talk to you. Now the resources. We are starting to read our textbook today. The circle, I put in here how to find the book. It's in the Titan bookstore. You can also find it on Amazon. It's also in the library, the LCC library on the main campus. If you have trouble finding it, please let me know. I might be able to round up a copy for you. You'll notice I've only assigned 27 pages. That's because I have no idea how this week is for you. Some of you are registering late. Some of you are just getting back into town. And so I didn't want to assign a lot. But as I say, please read as far as you like, because in a couple of weeks I'm going to ask you for a character analysis. We're not going to read the entire book, but we're going to read part 1 for sure. And read a bunch. We're going to be talking about it a lot in our forums. Then I've given you some information about argumentative essays, because this is an argumentative writing course. Also given you some resources and tutorials about grammar. Might want to look over these. This is a writing course. I do care that you can write complete sentences, that you know what paragraphs are, that you know about organization. You might want to just go over and refresh your mind, especially if it's been a while since you've taken a writing course. Activities. I want to remind you again, all of the activities are scheduled on Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. I think that makes it easier for all of us. So we have the class introductions forums, the postings just getting to know your friends and neighbors in this class. I want you to post an introduction to yourself by Wednesday, and then by Friday I want you to respond to at least 2 of your classmates. Your writing assignment number 1, which is explained completely in this, is due on Sunday. If you have any questions, I would be more than happy to answer them. Email me, post them to the course question or answer forum, and I'm looking forward to knowing you. Talk to you soon.